When you join the Founder Circle, you help provide career training for guys on the inside and offer them software development jobs. Graduates of TLM have skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data visualization, Python, and web design. Support our fight to break the cycle of recidivism. Your tax-deductible $5,000 contribution will cover costs of a participant for 1 year and break new ground in prison education and career training. With the Last Mile program, you can help pave the road to success for deserving inmates.